If you want to design custom landing pages and connect them directly to your Shopify store, then here's how to connect your page pilot to your Shopify. You just need first to log into your page pilot dashboard. Let's assume just tap on the dashboard icon, then click on integrations in the main menu and choose Shopify. So here's how you log into your page pilot. Then here's the integration setting, which you will choose the Shopify. You'll be prompted to enter your Shopify store or URL, which you can see right here. You will need to know your website URL for your Shopify store and your Shopify key. Now you should go back to Head Page Pilot and create a new page, like a new product page, then or promo funnel. Use drag and drop elements to design your page, then link buttons to Shopify products or checkout links. Once you're done, you just need to click the publish and copy the page URL to share or embed into your Shopify navigation or ads. And that's it. You are now driving traffic to high converting custom page without coding.